Inkampani zamandla nombane zicela urhulumente ukuba abeke phambili utyalo-mali kumandla avuselelekayo okuphehla umbane, ukuqinisekisa ukunikezelwa kombane okuzinzileyo nokwaneleyo. Eli khwelo liza nanjengoko amagosa nabaxhasi behlanganisele kwingqungquthela yamandla avuselelekayo yeentsuku ezimbini eMidrand, ukuthetha ngezisombululo zokuphucula ukuveliswa kombane kunye nokunciphisa ukuxhomekeka kwimithombo yemveli.
Njengoba izwe lisuka kwingqinamba yokucisha sakonke ugesi load shedding ngolwasemzini eke yahlalisa libhojozi izwe, inkampani ke ehlukene eziphehla ugesi seyikhuthaze uhulumeni ukuthi etshale imali kumandla kagesi avuselelekayo ukuze ke gweme ukushawa induku eyodwa kabili esikhathini esizayo.
We actually provide the opportunity for municipalities and even the industry as a whole to keep energy costs lower, which in turn then has a positive impact on all the people staying within those areas. So it actually reduces the cost of living in time indirectly for everyone staying there. And I think considering where we are, South Africa, with a very high unemployment rate, providing employment in those communities and throughout the country, as well as lowering the cost of energy, thereby lowering the cost of living, that actually I do believe creates a much bigger picture, much bigger benefit for the whole country. And I think from a government point of view, it's not a grudge purchase. It's not a purchase you have to do because you need to be green. It's actually a purchase that is economically viable to do. It is the cheapest form of energy and generation and still decreasing as we are speaking. It reduces South Africa's reliability on the fossil fuels like coal, and even currently speaking, where we are talking about the fuel crisis that we are potentially facing due to the war, this is actually a way to actually reduce that reliability on fuel.
Izinkampani ezingaphezulu kwama-60 bezingxenye yalenkomfa nezishiyelane inkundla iphawula ngokubaluleka kwamandla kagesi avuselelekayo. Zithi ke maningi amathuba omsebenzi angatholwa yintsha uma uhulumeni engaguqukela kulolu hlobo lokuphehla kagesi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngeseMidrand.